Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a pulley design in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the side view or the front view you can take. Take the XY plane. So this will be the front view. Now take the line command. From the center point, we are going to construct our base profile first, like this, here, here and here. Now escape. Now go to dimension. Define the straight length as 54.2. Now here define this as 5 mm. Now define this total, this distance as 13 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now go to line command. From the center point, make a straight line. Escape. Select this line, make it construction. So this will be considered as the center line. Go to dimension. Define the angle here as 17 degree. Okay. Now here we are going to make the other profile. Go to line. From this point we'll make one line until here, one straight line here, one line here and one line here, and escape. Now go to dimension. Define this as 2 mm. Go to line command. Make a center line here. Okay. Now escape. Select this line, make it construction, and here take symmetric. Select this and select this center line. Now this is symmetric both sides. Go to dimension. Here we are going to define the angle first. From this center line, this will be also 17 degree. Okay. And here this total distance will be of 19 mm. Okay. Now define this. From here this will be at 9.5. The total length of this will be 15 mm. Okay. Now you can see this is going upside this profile. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Now you can see this is fully constrained. Escape. Two dimensions need to be constrained are for the center lines. Okay. Now I want this same profile other side as well. Go to line command once again. Select this endpoint, make a straight line. Escape. Select this line, make it construction. Go to mirror command. Select this profile. We'll select till here. So this whole profile has been selected. Go to mirror. Select this as mirror line. Apply and done. Okay. Go to line. Select here. Drag it to the bottom and select here. Now escape. Now you can see this is a zigzag line. So this is not completely straight. Select this line and click on vertical constraint. Now this is a straight line. Okay. Now here escape. Finish sketch. Now this you can see is a closed profile. Go to revolve. So the profile has been selected and select this as center line. So this will be the axis of rotation and press OK. Now here we will give the finishing profile. So go to fillet, take a radius of 1.5. Select here and select here. I'll rotate it to make it more clear. Okay. Similarly, select here and select here and press OK. Okay. Go to home. Now select this face. Go to create sketch. Take circle command. From this center point, make a circle of dia 42 mm. Go to 3D model. Take extrude command and take here extrude of 20 mm. Okay, so this will be a single direction extrude, and here this will be a joining profile. Press OK. Now here we are going to make a inside cutout. Okay, so for this, go to origin, select here the XY plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch, line command. First make a center line till here. Now here make the cut profile like this, and we will match till here and make it a straight line. Okay, so this will be straight line and till here. Now escape. Now we'll make the coincident constraint. Select this point, select this. Okay, so this will be up to this profile. Go to dimension, define this dimension. Okay, escape, select this, delete, go to dimension, define this as 4.5, define this as 9 mm, define this length as 7.5. Here the angle will be of 70 degree. Okay, and this profile here will be of 14 mm, and escape. Now here you can see this profile is moving. Okay, so go to coincident, select this profile and select this point. Now escape. So this is constrained now. Now finish sketch, take revolve, take here cut, and for axis we'll select the straight line. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay, so this is the inner cutting profile. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay, go to right view, you can see the cutout. Go to home. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle. On this edge we will make a rectangle. Go to dimension, define this as 8 mm, define this from center point. So this will be a dimension of 15.65 mm. Now go to vertical constraint, select the center and select this. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction, and here we will take 2 next, or here you can take 2 and rotate the profile, and we'll select this inner face and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command. From this center point, make circle here of diameter 60. Escape, select this circle, make it construction geometry. Go to circle command once again and make one circle here of diameter 12. Escape, take vertical constraint, select here and select here. Take circular pattern, select this circle, go to axis and select this. Take here a count of 8 and press OK. Go to home, take 3D model, extrude, select all the profiles, take here cut, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now select this edge, take here chamfer of 2 mm, and this edge also chamfer of 2 mm, and press OK. Now here we will define the appearance. I'll click OP, opal color we have taken. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a pulley in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.